Hi, I'm Sophie Wells and I teach English Language A-Level at East Sussex College. English Language A-Level is obviously the best subject to do because it's really flexible and gets you ready for any career or any further forward into higher education. We teach you many skills of analysis, evaluation, and how to write really well for different audiences, and also to know how people are writing in order to manipulate you as a reader. So when we talk about language and the individual in society, we look at how the language we use reflects who we are and how we're also seen by how we communicate. We also look at child language acquisition, which is how children learn language, how they learn to speak, how they learn to read, and how they learn to write. And you'll also, through that, learn loads of different ways of analysing. When we're analysing any text, we break it down into the different language levels. So you've got lexics and semantics, phonetics, grammar, graphology, pragmatics, and discourse. And we use all of those in order to analyse how it works through the mode and the audience that we're aiming at. So that's what you cover in Language, the Individual and Society. We then look at language diversity and change, which is my favourite, because you look at how there are so many different cultures that use English as their language, and they use it in very different ways. But we also then look at conversations around language. And so you might have, a really good one we cover is gendered language and how men and women use language differently and are reflected differently through that. We also then look at other people's opinions of that, and we reflect on what they think and what we think about that and how that's then reflected as society. So if you choose to study English Language A-Level, it's part of the humanities package. So you might study it alongside sociology, English literature, history, or criminology. So within this, for English Language, you'll be in the classroom for 3 lessons a week. They're an hour and a half lesson. I will do then, if you compare this to school, that's not actually much time. So then we then expect you to do quite a lot of independent study. You'll be given a handbook when you start, and in here we tell you all about it. And I generally recommend that if you want to hit your target grade or get even higher, you should be doing 4 to 5 extra hours of study a week. And that would be for each subject. But we're very lucky in English Language because usually we only have 10 to 15 students per class. So it's quite a nice intimate atmosphere where we're able to talk about the quite difficult topics comfortably, and you're fully supported in furthering your study and just improving your knowledge of English language. You'll be assessed for English language through exam and coursework. So you will have 2 exams, one on Language, the Individual and Society, where you have to analyse a text, compare text, and then write an essay on child language development. And then the second paper is about language diversity, where you'll have, it's a written exam, and you'll need to write an essay about about language change or history, and then an analysis of a discourse. You'll then also have to write your own opinion article in the second paper. The papers are 2.5 hours each, and they constitute 80% of your grade. 20% of your grade is through coursework. You'll need to do 2 pieces of coursework. You have a language investigation, which is pretty free. You can choose an area of language that you are really passionate about and want to find out more about. And then you have the original writing, which is your chance to show that you can persuade or inform or original writing, so write a narrative. So you'll look at someone else's work of that format, and then you'll pick out all those features and analyse it, and then you'll write your own using that same format. So each year we do try to do say 1 or 2 trips to anywhere interesting that might help. And we usually do that alongside, say, your history course or your English literature course. So it could be going to a gallery or something, or last year we went to see Margaret Atwood at the Brighton Pavilion because she was talking about The Handmaid's Tale, which they were studying English literature, but it was also appropriate for English language. So we do like to do that in order to enhance your studies and improve your understanding of what you're doing. With your English Language A-Level, you can go anywhere really. You learn so many skills that are general skills for any subject. So you can go to university, or you might go into sort of further into different jobs that involve communications. But a university English language will help if you wanted to do a law qualification, because you have to analyse the laws and how they can be manipulated. You could go into teaching. We've got some people here who are going to nursing, script writing. It goes anywhere. The entry requirements for language at A level is that you need to get a 6 in English language GCSE, and for any A level you'll need to get 5 grade 4 and above, including your English and your maths. What I enjoy most about working at East Sussex College in the A level department is that we have a great group of staff who work with these brilliant students who come in with just such fantastic ideas that they're willing to share, and it's just cohesive. And in English language we have nice small groups, so you get to have that really good relationship, and a relationship that will get you ready for your future career.
Hi, my name is Millie. I went to Ratton School before coming to East Sussex College. I'm studying psychology, English language and geography A level. I chose English language A level because it's such a versatile subject. I can use it to do whatever I want. So if I decide to change my mind, like career-wise, then I can take it wherever I want. So I've decided to do adult nursing at university next year.
Hi, my name is Kieran. I study psychology, sociology and English language. I came from People Community College and I'm planning to go on to do a psychology degree at university. I'm really enjoying the course because you get an in-depth look at language and theories on how language is used, and it links to other subjects that I'm studying.
To apply for English language A level, please go to the website and click on the links where you can apply.